Hi, this is Jake's second assignment in the step sequencer. So I decided to have two different step sequencers going at the same time, and a lot of my presets deal with how those can interact. The first one is based off of the Animusic video Starship Groove, which has two kind of dueling bass lines that are actually in 7/4. So part of what I incorporated into the step sequencer was the ability to change the length of the sequence. The maximum length is 32, as you can see in these counter objects, but you can change the counter limit here. And so for this first preset, the max counter limit is 28. So it goes 0 to 28. So let's hear what those sound like. So the first one over here, and the other one. And then if we put them together, we get a nice little group. So that's the first preset. The second preset, I just set a mixolydian mode scale. You see these interfaces here control the scale values that that we can input on the actual sequencer here. So this first So we can see that we can move around these notes to make a different melody, but it's all within this mixolydian scale that's set from here. For the third preset, I picked a different scale, and I made a melodic minor scale. So this, on the left sequencer, we have ascending, the minor scale, the melodic minor scale, and on the left sequencer, we have the descending melodic minor scale. And you notice that over here, I kept this ascending on the sequencer. That's because it makes use of another feature of my step sequencer, which is the ability to control the direction of each of the step sequencers. So the one on the left is the counter is ascending, and over here it is descending. So let's see what this sounds like. Just make sure all these are reset properly. Oops, okay, so this one isn't working. Okay, so that's what the descending one sounds like, and the ascending one, like that. There we go, we have the melodic scale going up and back down. And that makes use of both sequencers because it's a different scale going up and down. So for the last preset, I made use of another feature of the synth, which is the ability to control the tempo of each of the two sequencers with these inputs here. And I use slightly different tempos to recreate Piano Phase by Steve Reich. And I'm very, very happy with it because I really like this. So we can hear them start to get out of phase because of the differing tempo. Sounds really cool. And eventually it'll come back to the original melody. So here are the four presets, and you can see down here that I made use of the subsynth that was provided for the assignment, as well as the make note object for note on and offs, as shown in the sequencer lab. You can also control the octave and the range of the scale with these octave adjustments and the offset within that octave of each half step. So that's how you control the range of the sequencers. Thank you.